Hello and welcome to this short update regarding current status of the printers I have. Well, as you can see, I'm kind of fed up with the buildtak print surface being used to the PEI sheet on my Prusa. The buildtak feels really fragile, and since I've been printing a lot of engine, XTCF and other high temp filaments, it feels even more fragile. And well, honestly, I'm probably not used to the buildtak surface either, so well, I damaged it, and instead of replacing it with a new buildtak, I decided to go with PEI for the gMax as well. So it's not that easy to get hold of 400 times 400 centimeters of PEI sheets. Even the smaller ones has been kind of out of stock at Prusa, even though I know that they've managed to gather some PEI sheets again, but I've searched around in Sweden and on other sites without any success finding large enough PEI sheets for the gMax. But through the really nice Prusa community and the Slack group that we've started with over 600 users now, actually. We'll put a link down in the description to that, how to register for that Slack. I managed to get hold of those sheets, so I have five really large sheets now, so that should be enough for a long time, actually. So yeah, I will continue to remove this buildtak. But first, let's look at some more funny news. So I guess that many of you has heard about the Olsson Ruby nozzle. It's a nozzle with a ruby tip, which should withstand a lot of badass filaments without wearing down. And I actually managed to get hold of actually two nozzles. So one of them will go on my gMax and the other one will go on my Prusa. Yeah, so the Ruby nozzles are actually Swedish products made in Sweden by Anders Olsson. And I visited the 3D Verkstan last week, and they had a few nozzles left in stock. So this is the 1.75 millimeters filament version, and it's 0.4 millimeters in diameter. Let's see if I can get a closer look at it. So, I mean, this one should probably last for a long time. It's made to print a really hard type of material, kind of the third hardest material in the world. So it should last pretty long, even if I will print a lot of carbon filament in the future. Right, so that's it for now. I will continue to rip off my buildtak, and I will will show you the result. Just to show you how the buildtak is mounted to the build plate. I had no clue regarding how hard it would be to remove this. I know that the PEI sheet is pretty hard to remove, and you need to use like a special solution to dissolve the glue or the adhesive component. But the buildtak actually seems to have like a very sticky plastic film, which is the sticky part, and it's coming loose really easy. It's easier with two hands, but it's pretty easy to just rip it off. And the plate is of course cold at the moment. Right, so the buildtak sheet is peel off, so that was a pretty easy task. Now it's time to clean this glass sheet with some IPA, and then see if we can apply the PEI sheet. Alright, so the PEI sheet is on now. Went pretty good. Not perfect. Got some small air bubbles here. Hopefully it will be fine. They might disappear as well. We'll see. They don't. They're hardly noticeable, so I think it will be just fine. So nice to have a PEI sheet on this machine as well. So let's get printing again. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. I will keep you posted regarding the status of the gMax with the PEI sheet, as well as my Prusa with a multicolor upgrade, and the result after upgrading to the ruby nozzle as well. So thanks, and subscribe if you want more of this, and like the video if you like it, or thumbs down if you don't like it. See you, bye.